Hi, I'm Kamakshay. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to perform CB-SEM in FreeSem desktop application. FreeSem is a free software application meant for several types of confirmatory factor analysis, including exploratory factor analysis, which we call EFA in short. In my previous video, I've explained how to perform the EFA, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to perform CB-SEM. CB-SEM stands for Covariance-Based Structural Equation Modeling. Is one of the influential techniques in structural equation modeling collection of techniques. How to do that? So once you open the application, this is FreeSem. By the way, this is version number 2.1.0. So in my previous video, I have used I think 2.0.0 or 1.0.0. I don't remember exactly. It's the latest version in which several bugs were debugged and a few mistakes were rectified. Now, I'm not going to draw the figure as I have done in my previous video. I'm going to import the model diagram. So, in order to cut short the time and reduce the length of the video, I already made it ready. I have a ready-made model diagram which I have drawn in the same application. By the way, you have to draw this application. If you have saved your the model, you can upload it just like as I have done right now in this video. Now my data is already there. You can just go back, and it is just like importing the data from some folder. That's all, just like this. Now go to the fit model. Here in the drop down, you have to select CFA CB-SEM, and before you go, you're going to hit this button fit model. You have to create the pseudocode. This is a model definition which Python understands, and the pseudocode is generated from the model diagram, which serves as an essential input for the CB-SEM. Now once you select the right model, and if your pseudocode is ready in your window, then you have to hit this button fit model. Now you'll come back to the main window where the model diagram was there. Earlier it was empty. Now it pre-fills. It fill up all the estimates with respective significance notations. You see, if you can right click and click this right click context menu, export diagram, where you'll find a lot of options like in order to format your model diagram in different shapes. Like currently I have tree. I have provided tree, circle, spring, something like this. Once if you're happy with select your favorable format, and then you can export them into multiple file formats like PNG, PDF, SVG, JPEG, something like that. I'm not going to do anything right now. I'll take you to the results and look at the summary statistics. The model is not okay because the chi-square value is very significant, and the CFI is okay, acceptable, but TLI and RMLCA are obnoxious. Now go to the estimates. All the relationships are highly significant. Okay, you see here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, but estimates has both positive as well as negative kind of estimates. You can just have a look at it. If you don't understand, just export this into a CSV file just like this, and import both your data as well as the results into LLM, any ChatGPT, DeepSeek, other LLMs, whatever it is, and ask questions, and they will explain you the results. And then there is another tab called plots, where you will find a default plot which is generated by the software. Actually, the draw model is our model which we draw, and here in the results, this is the default plot which is generated by the Python program. Okay, so this is for this video. In this video, I have shown you how to perform the CB-SEM models. I did not explain how to interpret the results. Today you got a lot of Gen AI apps, both desktop as well as web apps. You can just take the data and all these results. Now, after you export these results, either in the doc file or PDF file, use them and upload them to some Gen AI app, and then ask the questions, and you will get all the answers as a matter of interpretation. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for new content, and bye bye for now.